Hey guys, the conventional belief that owning a home is a crucial step towards building long-term wealth, showcasing one's independence and attaining financial stability. Consequently, it comes as no surprise that a significant portion of the American population, approximately 57%, feels compelled to pursue home ownership. However, as time goes on, the notion of home ownership being the ultimate financial goal has sparked increasing debate. The discussion surrounding the pros and cons of owning a home has become more prominent in recent years, with individuals weighing the potential benefits and drawbacks. But before this video, guys, please like this video and subscribe to my channel as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Now here are 5 reasons why owning a home is overrated. The first one is maintenance costs. Financial experts often suggest setting aside approximately 1% of the total purchase price of your home each year to cover maintenance costs. This means that if you have purchased a home for $300,000, you should aim to save around $3,000 annually to address any upkeep and repair needs that may arise. In contrast, when you choose to rent a property, you can typically expect the responsibility for minor expenses, such as repairing a scratched wall or repainting chipped areas, to fall on your shoulders. However, it's worth noting that routine maintenance costs are typically the responsibility of the landlord. This means that the financial burden of tasks like landscaping, heating, or AC maintenance or fixing plumbing issues would be handled by the property owner. The second one is homeowners association fees. More than 33% of homeowners reside in a community governed by a homeowners association, where they are required to pay monthly fees. These fees, which have an average amount of $281 per month, add an extra financial obligations on top of mortgage payments, property taxes, insurance premiums, maintenance costs, and other associated fees. When you consider the annual amount, these fees can accumulate to around $3,500 per year. This means that as a homeowner, you need to factor in this additional expense when budgeting for the cost of home ownership. The presence of homeownership association fees highlights the importance of understanding the financial commitments associated with owning a property within a HOA community. While these fees often cover amenities, maintenance of common areas, and community services, they can significantly impact your overall housing expenses. The third one is house appreciation is not guaranteed. The potential for appreciation, which refers to the increase in the value of a property over time, is often cited as a significant motivating factor for individuals considering home ownership. However, it is important to approach the concept of appreciation with caution, as it is frequently overestimated and is not a guaranteed outcome. Studies such as those published in the Journal of Housing Economics have shown that homeowners tend to overestimate the rate of appreciation for their properties by an average of 8%. This means that individuals often have higher expectations regarding the future value of their homes than what may be realistic. Additionally, recent trends in the housing market have demonstrated that home prices can fluctuate and even experience declines. Since 2022, for example, there has been an average decrease of 2.6% in home prices. Another one is high property taxes. Homeowners often find that property taxes turn out to be more costly than they originally anticipated. As of 2023, the average homeowner can expect to spend approximately $2,800 annually on property taxes. However, it's important to note that the actual amount can vary significantly depending on the location of the property. The expense of property taxes is subject to substantial regional variation. For instance, if you own a $500,000 home in Dallas, Texas, you could potentially be responsible for around $11,000 per year in property taxes alone. In contrast, the property tax burden in Nevada tends to be relatively lower. These discrepancies highlight the significant impact that location can have on the overall cost of property ownership. The variation in property taxes across different areas is influenced by multiple factors. One key element is the tax rate set by local governments, which can differ significantly from one municipality or state to another. Additionally, certain regions may have specific tax laws, exemptions, or assessment methods that further contribute to the disparity in property tax amounts. Another one is homeowners insurance. Obtaining insurance coverage is a wise step to protect your belongings and mitigate potential risks. However, it's worth noting that homeowners insurance typically comes with a higher price tag compared to renters insurance. When considering renters insurance, the costs are generally more affordable. For instance, a rough estimate from Progressive suggests that renters insurance can range from $14 to $30 per month. On the other hand, homeowners insurance can cost significantly more, ranging from $81 to $138 per month or even higher. Homeowners insurance rates are influenced by additional variables that can impact the risk associated with the property. Factors such as the presence of a pool, trampoline, certain pets, running a home business, and the type of roof can contribute to increased insurance costs. These factors reflect the potential liabilities and risks that come with home ownership. Well, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. Guys, do you think home ownership is overrated? Leave your comments down below. So guys, if you like this video, please press thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, as it keeps me motivated to create these videos for you guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.